can't stop laughing at myself. I gotta stop before I cry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have, first of all, I got my mirror in. Yay! I'm not gonna steal my sister's anymore. But I went to Ulta and I picked up a few things. I will also put the prices on here so you guys can know the prices and stuff like that. I just wanted something new to try, add a little spice to it. I think this stuff just came out, so don't hold me on that, but it might have. I don't know. So, what I got is the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. Can you see? It's in the shade Porcelain, and it says up to 24-hour matte finish. So, we should see. And I also got the concealer, Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in the shade, I'm so stupid. It says Light Ivory. And this is what this looks like. And this stuff isn't new, but I just wanted to try it. This was on sale. It was the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Looks like that. And I also picked up this eyeliner because I think I mentioned in a previous video I wanted to try a liquid eyeliner. So just to start out, I picked up the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. It is the H2O proof eyeliner pen in jet black. So I'm going to try that. And I'm running out of mascara, so Mom picked this up for me. I don't think I have used this one before, so I'm going to put this in the video as well. It is the Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara by Maybelline in Blackest Black. That's what it looks like. So those are just a couple of items I will be trying out today. Let me put the receipt to the side so I can remember. Okay, so I've already moisturized, so let's start off with primer. I am gonna use the primer I just showed, the NYX primer. Are you supposed to shake that up? It's a little liquidy. I don't know. Was it on sale because it was old? Oh. Okay. It's very, oh, how do I describe it? It is silky. Very silky. While that primer is sitting, I'm actually going to test out the brush and sponge theory. So I'm gonna get my, make sure it's my Morphe, once again just the Gold Collection brush, flat kabuki brush. And I'm gonna use a brush on one side and a beauty blender on the other side. And it has a little pushy little applicator. That's probably way too much foundation. Oh well, let's see. I put primer on, yeah, I did. It doesn't have like a terrible smell to it. You know how most foundations smell like straight up chemicals? Yeah. So I'm just going to, I don't use a brush for foundation. I'll squirt this actually on my face. Start off with that. Look at that. Can you tell the difference? Don't mind my pimple in the middle of my forehead. Let's see if these lights go up anymore. Yeah, they do. Can you tell the difference in the coverage? I think you can. Which means I'm going to stick with my brush. So let's take this in light ivory. That's what the applicator looks like. And just put right off the bat, it has a light on it. So a light goes a long way, as you can now see. And let's dampen the sponge again, because I do like the sponge for the concealer. And let's blend that in. I think that's pretty flawless, if I do say so myself. Okay, so far, I like the foundation and I like the concealer. Let's go in with... Now we have to see if this product likes to layer good or not. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick. It feels like it might not. Feels like it's not going to blend very well. If I'm being completely honest. It feels like it's just going to take it off of my face. Because it is a matte foundation. So... It's not moving. I'm hitting my head as hard as I possibly can. I have royally screwed this up. Okay. It looks like I never left, but I just went and washed my face and reapplied the foundation and the concealer. From this experience, I have learned that the foundation dries so fast and so matte that if you're wanting to cream contour or anything like that, you can't do it. It's just not possible. Like, maybe it's just not for my, because I seen a thing with the foundation doesn't work for you or look good on you. Maybe it's not good for your skin type. I mean, I think it looks good, but I mean, when you get a little closer, you can kind of see the patches on my face where it's kind of sticking to them. So, I mean, if you have like oily skin, this foundation is for you, okay? I'm going to carry on with this because it's a learning experience. It's a YouTube video, so I'm going to continue. Let's go in with this. I'm very scared to do this. I've never done winged eyeliner before. So this should be very, very interesting. It looks like, don't look at my nails. This says shake. So let's shake it. It's a very fine tip. Let's test it out on the back of my hand. Okay, so you can go very light and you can go very thick. If I can do this eyeliner, I'm not promising that it's going to be perfect because I don't do eyeliner. Okay. Let's try it. Can you see me? Or do they flick it out? I don't know. I don't do winged eyeliner. Okay, so the edge of my eye. I already messed it up. Do like that. Woo, she thick. Thick. And she fill it in. Why does that look kind of good on camera and like crap in person? Why does this one kind of look good and sharp and this one looks like a dud? This one's also thicker, I think. I don't like how it dries matte. It's like, I don't know. This one definitely got to be thicker. Hold on. You know what? I quit. I quit. This is how they're gonna have to look. This one's just gonna have to be like slanted out that way, and this one's just gonna have to be slanted out that way. You know, just thick eyeliner. Yeah. Woo. Okay, so just don't look at that. You know, first time trying everything. First time doing wing liner. Maybe eventually it'll get skinnier. You know, who knows? Probably not. And so now let's take out that and put in the mascara. The wand for this mascara looks like this. It's plastic. Let's just put that like that with my wonky eyeliner. Wowzers. It's real curved. And let's take this. Oh, hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm distracted. I know everybody watching this is laughing because I'm laughing at myself. How do people do cute wings? Like, my final thoughts on the foundation. It dries too matte and I do not like it. You're not able to do, what is it? Cream contour or anything like that. Like, it dries way too fast and it's very matte. So if you have oily skin, you know, it's for you. You can do it. Everybody else, stay away. Concealer, I think the concealer is pretty good. I think it covers up very nicely and it blends well. Maybe I should try another shade because this is a little yellow, I believe. But overall, I do like the concealer. Foundation, not so much. Not for my skin type anyway. The primer, I really like the primer. It goes on really silky. I think it makes my skin look really smooth and really nice. So I do recommend this primer. And as far as for the eyeliner, you know, it's very precise. It does its job. It has the good tip on it. The only thing is it dries down very matte and it gets kind of like crunchy on your eyes. Does that make sense? Crunchy on your eyeballs? Like you can feel like it's matte, like you can feel it. I don't know if that's what a eyeliner is supposed to feel like, but that is what it feels like on the eyes. So that is my review on those products. And I know this makeup is not perfect, and I know it doesn't look good, but it's just me testing out products, you know, giving you my thoughts on things. You see what went wrong. I don't do eyeliner. You see that. Like, it's clear as day that I've never done winged eyeliner before. So, oh, and I tested out this lipstick. It's okay. It's definitely matte. You would definitely need a lip scrub or something before you do this, and probably after. But it is a very nice color. It's Morphe. They're good anyways. Morphe is a good brand. So yeah, that is my final thoughts on things. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was quite a funny one. Just make sure you like, and like I said, you can comment, tell me what you want to see, what you don't want to see. Just let me know, like I'll film anything. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed.